Tired of the old dingy carpet in your boat? Hey everyone, Spencer with Malibu Parts. The best way to get rid of the old smelly carpet in your boat is by upgrading to a fresh soft grip floor. Installing the soft grip on the floor of your boat will not only make your boat look much better, but will also make your boating experience much more enjoyable. Soft grip dries faster and cleans up easier than carpet. Installing soft grip is a quick and stress-free process that you can complete in under an hour. To get ready to install the soft grip floor kit on your boat, you will want to make sure your boat is warm. If the weather outside is under 70 degrees, it's recommended you leave the boat inside to warm up for 24 hours and keep it inside for 24 hours after you install the soft grip. Before you begin, make sure you have cleaning rags, an acetone solution such as goof off, a Phillips head screwdriver or a power drill, and a rubber roller. Let's get started. Step 1, remove your old carpet and wipe down the floor with the acetone solution and let it dry. Step 2, align each piece of soft grip and verify fit. Make sure they do not overlap and that soft grip is centered around areas such as the build inspection cover and the table pull insert. Step 3, remove any carpet snaps as needed. Step 4, when installing each piece, start from one edge and remove part of the backing. Do not remove the entire backing at once. Place the exposed backing in place and apply pressure. Slowly work your way back while pulling the backing off. Apply even pressure to avoid air bubbles. You can rip off the backing as needed for those longer pieces. Step 5, once the pad is in place, use a rubber roller to ensure secure hold and help work out any bubbles. And just like that, your boat has a fresh new look that is sure to turn heads. To get your soft grip flooring kit, head over to MalibuParts.com. Please note that your boat has to have a fiberglass floor to install soft grip. If your boat has a carpeted floor, soft grip will not adhere. To verify the right soft grip kit for your boat and to ensure your boat is capable of the soft grip upgrade, please reach out to us via phone, email, or online chat. Thanks so much for watching. For more great Malibu and Axis content, please follow us on our social media pages and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember, for all of your parts and accessory needs, you can come get them at MalibuParts.com. Can't wait to see you on the water.